often overlooked, but this is really something special actually. European larch, Larix Decidua, meaning deciduous. This tree is a conifer that drops its needles in winter. That immediately makes it sort of a pretty unusual and rare. There's not many conifers that do that. And then in spring it emerges with these beautiful sort of soft green needle-like leaves. If you plant this tree, you're potentially planting a bit of a legacy because it can live for hundreds of years. It's perfect if you've got a larger garden. Wouldn't put it in a small sort of suburban space unless you're prepared to keep it pruned, and then you could even attempt at making it into a bonsai, but let it grow to its full magnificence and you'll have a beautiful tree. Autumn comes and these soft green needles turn to sort of a beautiful golden glow. It's really quite unusual and magnificent, real standout plant. People will be asking you what this tree is because it is unusual, really something special, and we should have more of these. It's a native, it's good for the wildlife as well. So, you know, once this gets big, you're going to have birds in the branches and all sorts. And yeah, so that's the Larix. Really underrated, highly recommended rare tree. Thanks very much, and I'll see you next time.